Yo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Nico here, and in today's video, I'm going to be heading up to Cycle Gear. I think at this point, Cycle Gear is like my second home, but I'm going to be heading up there to get some new gloves. Guys, I don't know the exact model on these, but I've been using these gloves for about a year now. Great, no issues. Luckily, haven't had to test them out. My buddies, they have gauntlets. If you guys know what gauntlets are, I'll put a picture of it up on the screen here. And I want to see how they work. So, or not how they work, but you know how they feel while riding. So instead of these like normal gloves that kind of end at your wrist here, I actually just got done cleaning the bike a little bit, also relubing the chain, so let me go and get it off that stand. Careful. You back over there. Actually, I already had the bike running a little bit, so it should still be warm. This is like a 125 degrees. This is like a semi-warm start. Cycle Gear closes in like an hour, so I gotta hurry up and get there, because the ride there alone is like 30 minutes, so. Damn, there's still hella salt on the road, shit. New boots, a helmet. Obviously I'm going to get these gloves. I got a new cardo on the way. That'll most likely be in the next video. Prepared for the new season. There's a party next door to boogie to. It's like 60 degrees right now, so it's a little chilly on a bike, but better than the snow we had a couple days ago. Something feels weird with my bike and I don't know what it is. I can't put a finger on it. Damn, bro. That rock came right for me, twin. This is why we wear the face shields. Alright everybody, you just picked up the SP8 V3s is what I believe they're called, here at Cycle Gear. Tried them on in the store, they felt really nice, and dude, these are just clean, man. We'll say my wrist feels a lot more stiff in one place, if you will, and feel a lot more protected too, because I mean it's covering more than just, you know, my hand, it's also covering my wrist as well. Yeah, these low-key feel goated, I ain't even gonna lie to you. Might have gone just one size a little too big, but honestly not a big deal. I'm not gonna lie, it feels weird as hell, bro. Like I'm not used to gauntlets, dog. Like in a way I feel more like protected, I guess is the way to put it, but you know,
Alright buddy, so unfortunately my camera died while I was recording this video, but I was able to ride for a few days with the gauntlets, and it took a while to get used to them, but honestly now I have no complaints at all, and I would never go back to the normal style gloves that only, you know, go to your wrist and not cover your wrist. So I apologize for like the sporadic video or nature of this video. I just randomly was like, know what, let me go get gauntlets and pick up the camera, and unfortunately it wasn't fully charged, so it died by the time I was actually doing like a review on the gloves while riding. So everybody, I'll go ahead and link these below. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.